How to enable or disable friend request on Epic Games Launcher. Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you and discuss on how you can enable or disable friend request on your Epic Games Launcher. First, you need to have the Epic Games Launcher application installed in your device. Go ahead and launch it and log into your account. Then go to your friends section. You can find this by clicking on your profile, which will open a menu. Then go to settings. Here you will find the option to manage friend request. If you select anyone can send you friend request. And if you select no one, nobody can send you friend request. And if you select friends of friends, only players who are friends with your friends can send you a request. So that's it. This is how you can enable or disable friend request on Epic Games Launcher. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.